Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is my friend's 2004 RAV4. They just purchased this vehicle as a used one obviously, and they asked me to go completely through the car from the front to the back and give them idea in which shape it is. I'm filming all those inspections for you. And let's go together in this video look on the brake fluid. And on this RAV4, right, in this engine bay area, the brake fluid reservoir is located right here. Excellent. And I'm starting seeing signs that this vehicle was actually maintained pretty okay. For example, this brake fluid, look at it. It has that yellow color, right? It's not black like it will be in the severe cases when people let it go too far, right? That will have completely dark or black color. So this one seems to be fairly new. Now, that will be the quality. What's about the level? And you are zoomed on it, right? And if you look right here, it says right here max, right? So if I open it, I can just confirm everything is nice. And the max line is right here. So basically we can say that this one is very slightly overfilled. Am I concerned about it, or am I going to vacuum it, right? Or remove that quarter inch of the fluid in this area? No reason, right? That's not a problem, definitely. I will keep it this way, and I will put in my report that this brake fluid can work so far, and it's definitely not a priority in the maintenance service. And as I mentioned before, I will film a lot inspections and maintenance on this car for you in the future. So make absolutely sure you are subscribed, because way more is coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a good one, my friend.